with John today. Raised some good money. We got to see a lot of people. Tell everybody the stories of how cancer affected them maybe and our youth. Got to see, like I said, a lot of people, beautiful vehicles, tractors, trucks, semis, a couple of beautiful EJ Katani cranes, Seneca Towing, the beautiful purple Shelley wreckers. You know, these businesses like this, that they're with you all the time, and that's what makes this really nice to do, easy to do when you have people like that. Gary Swanson to help you. Jeff Perry, GMC, I want to thank you guys for coming out. We really appreciate it. CIT crew, Steve Aubrey and his guys, Northern Illinois Mac. Graphic Electronics, the locker room in Spring Valley. New one, diamondstacks.com. This guy makes some beautiful stacks. Means exhaust stacks or something. He'll put them on your kitchen stove if you want. So again, we want to thank everybody. Please drive home carefully. Hope to see you next year. Again, we just want to thank Soft Hills, Corey's Ice Cream. That meant a lot. And we'll see you down the road. Again, thank you very much.
25 minutes after 2 o'clock, and the show goes till 3, so there's still time, and take time to check out all these vehicles.